Hey guys, so today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look. So the Polygel nail kit that I use is from Ohuhu. And if you want to order it, it's available on Amazon. Also guys, to achieve this look, you will need a UV LED lamp. Also, you may need a drill, but I'm only using it because I have one. My nails, and please excuse the yellowness in my nails. I had on a green nail polish earlier. Since this was my first time ever doing polygel, I had did these earlier off camera and I kind of messed up, as you guys can see right there, but it's okay, they still look good. Alright guys, so now I am just pushing my cuticles back. I'm just doing the same process that I do when I do my acrylic nails. If I'm being very honest, you guys should totally try polygel nails. It was so easy, so quick. The first time I did acrylic nails, it took me like a whole 8 hours to figure out what I was doing. So this polygel nail kit came with 12 colors. You guys, this kit comes with 4 glitters. This kit also comes with dual forms, which the sizes are really good. Also, you guys, the polygel is extremely sticky. So once I'm done mixing, I add it onto my dual form. Alright, so once you have the polygel on, you don't want to tap it, you kind of just want to glide it. So once you're done with that, you can press on the dual form. So now that the dual form is on, you just want to check if it's on all the way and then put it underneath the UV LED light. And you're just going to wiggle it right off. And then once you get it off, it should look exactly like this. Alright you guys, so here I am adding more polygel because I ran out. So here I am gonna add in the glitter, which I accidentally added way too much. It's good that I still had enough to fill it up so it could look the same as the other nails. As you guys can see, the nails are a bit messy, but that is just okay. All you need is a nail file and just file everything off. So as I was adding on my dual forms, I did not realize that underneath there was polygel getting. So it's kind of irritating, you know, when acrylic is kind of there. So I just started drilling it with my drill and evening everything out. Alright you guys, so after I'm done filing, I take a brush and I start taking away all the dust, and then I add in my diamonds that I got off of Amazon for really cheap. I believe it was like $7. And also you want to add your top coat when you're applying the diamonds. Alright you guys, so now that I am done adding all of the diamonds, I will add the top coat, all of my nails, And also, if you guys were interested in the tool that I use to pick up the diamonds, I forgot what it's called, but I will link it down below. Honestly, you guys, I really recommend this Polygel nail kit. I really enjoyed doing it. It was so easy and so fun.